Welcome to our channel, Nourish Nation. Today we're exploring the remarkable health benefits of a tiny but mighty superfood, raisins. These little dried grapes are not just a sweet treat. They're packed with nutrients that can contribute immensely to our well-being. Firstly, raisins are rich in fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. They help in preventing constipation by adding bulk to the stool, ensuring smooth bowel movements. Just a handful a day can keep your digestive system on track. Next, let's talk about energy. Raisins are high in natural sugars like glucose and fructose. This makes them an excellent energy booster, especially before or after a workout. They provide quick energy without weighing you down, thanks to their low-fat content. Heart health is another area where raisins shine. Rich in potassium, raisins can help reduce blood pressure by balancing out the sodium content in your body. Furthermore, the antioxidants in raisins, such as resveratrol, support heart health by reducing inflammation and preventing the oxidation of cholesterol. For those with anemia or wanting to prevent it, raisins are a great source of iron and vitamin B. These nutrients are critical in the formation of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body. Including raisins in your diet can help improve your iron levels naturally. Bone health also benefits from the calcium found in raisins. This calcium, along with other elements like boron, supports bone density and strength, making raisins a good snacking option for maintaining strong bones as we age. Now, if you're concerned about dental health, here's a surprising fact. Raisins contain oleanolic acid, which helps protect teeth from decay and cavities. They also prevent the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth. So despite their sweetness, raisins can be good for your teeth. In conclusion, raisins are far more than just a tasty snack. They're a powerhouse of nutrients that can positively impact various aspects of health, from digestion and heart health to energy levels and bone strength. So next time you're reaching for a snack, consider a handful of raisins. Your body will thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on healthy living. Thank you for watching.